is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media and I'm back with another video. So last video you guys might have saw, I just picked up a set of big brake kits. I'm super excited to get them on the car. It's been something I wanted to do for quite a while, but it is expensive and it does take quite a bit of researching to do before I could get it. So like I said, they are big brake kit. So the fronts are 6-piston big brake kit of a Cadillac CTSV. Those custom made brackets to make it fit a Lancer rail yard. The rears are the Evo 10 rear brembos that have custom brackets made to fit. Apparently when I bought it, I think the guy said I needed like rear trailing arms off a rail yard to make it fit a Lancer. So we shall see. Hopefully it's not too much of a pain in the ass to get it on the car. And I'm a boy McGill with his Honda Civic Type R is coming to help me out. So again, I've never done a caliper swap on the car, never done a big brake kit on the car before, so I'm not sure how difficult or how easy it is. They said it should be pretty much plug and play, so we'll see about that. So if you guys haven't already checked out the previous video, make sure to pause this video, watch the previous video before watching the install. Alright, so here are the fronts. Massive 6-piston big brake kit off the Cadillac CTSV. Come with the slotted rotors as well as stainless steel brake lines. So these are the fronts and these are the rears. So like I said, Evo 10 OEM Brembo that was painted yellow, slotted rotors, and this the Ralliart trailing arm. I also got some more brake fluid since I'll be draining the brake fluid. But first things first, before Miguel is here, I'm going to jack up the car, put jack stands, take off the wheels, so get it all prepped and ready to go. Alright, so got all 4 wheels off and Miguel and his homeboy is here to help. Like I said, this is something that I have no experience in. So far, with the wheels off on the front, Miguel already took off the stock calipers. And you can already see the stock rotors are much smaller. Well, these aren't stock rotors, these are aftermarket StopTech rotors, but they're much smaller than what we have over here. So, what is this part called? The spindle?
Spindle and hub, yeah.
Spindle and hub. So Miguel's trying to see because the bolt size is kind of different. So I believe this is the stock bolt size. And this is the other bolt size. So they're pretty different size. It's much bigger on the aftermarket Brembo calipers. So we have the rotor off on the passenger front. So I believe these rotors are already slightly bigger than the stock ones, but compared to these, actually they do look bigger outside. When you're holding it, they do look a little bigger. I don't know, I have no idea what the size are. Those look, oh sorry, these are the new ones.
Yeah,
oh,
the new ones.
I thought these were the old ones. Okay, never mind. So these are the old ones, the StopTech rotors, and these are the newer ones. Probably like a 330 millimeter, I think. I'm not sure. And then that's the OEM spindle that Miguel is trying to examine and see how difficult it is.
Hey, bring me the spindle and hub.
The spindle and hub. Here you go, sir. Alright, so update Miguel. So you took off, was this the axle?
Sure, one.
The axle, and then
right here. That's the tie rod.
tie rod. See, I don't know my shit. Tie rod. Disconnect part of the coilovers, the brake lines, and then you said the biggest thing is taking off this big thing, which is a 32 millimeter bolt.
Yep.
And that should take off that whole whatever is connected to the axle. Alright, so we're gonna pause real quick just because we need more tools. Gonna head to my boy Marco's house real quick just so we could borrow tools. Made it to Marco's crib. We're gonna borrow some tools, and this 370Z just chilling in the garage.
Dang, I told you.
Oh, big boy.
Up?
Yeah, it should.
So we needed a 1/2 inch impact, which I didn't have. So Marco has a Subaru coming to pick up some hoodies. Pretty clean, Subaru STI, white on white.
A few moments later.
We're back here from Marco's place and we borrowed the 1/2 inch with the 32 millimeter, and that did the trick, taking it off. And pretty much we gotta take that whole spindle off from the axle. So if you guys see, this is the aftermarket one that came with the big brake kit. So I believe we're trying to modify that to fit on, or use this one. Which do you think is easier? Use this one?
We're gonna use that one.
Okay. And it's a little bigger so they can fit the rotors. So the stock one is off, so you guys can't really see, but it little bit bigger. And I guess the same but different. So far, most of the bolts seem to kind of line up, but gotta try to put on the rotors and calipers and brake lines. So we had to drop the axle in order to take off the whole spindle. So this is the aftermarket one, that's the stock one. Like I said, it's similar, but is it a little bigger in size? Rotors on.
Caliper.
Direction good? Caliper is this one, right? Big boys. So first caliper is on with the rotor. We don't have the brake lines on yet, but just gonna test. Put the wheel on. She better fit. I mean, TEs are known to clear big brakes. There we go.
We got a lot of room to play with.
A lot of room?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
We're good. Yep.
Rotors are not too big. So first side is on. A little closer look. Right now they're working on the driver's side. Rotors are off. Calipers are off. It's pretty quick. I guess it's always harder on the first sight when you try to figure out where everything is and how it works. Let's see.
The regular ones or needle ones? Both.
And the challenging part is pretty much taking off the, I guess, the coilover bolt, and then taking off that whole axle and the spindle. So on the driver's side, axle came right off. So the 32mm bolt was always a hassle because I guess we had an impact gun, but it was pretty weak on power. And I guess if we had better tools, they might have done the job a little easier. Just trying to work with what we have here. So right now, just trying to take that piece off. Hopefully it's not gonna give us too much of a problem. So we've got the other hub going in right now, and then once the hub is on, rotors and calipers. Here you go, sir.
Wire off.
Wire off. Oh wait, it's a 10mm. Alright, so we did both fronts again with the help of Miguel and Carlos, so big thank you to them for helping out. We haven't done the rears yet. We'll probably keep them for a different day because they did take us quite a while. So again, we were kind of short on tools, and shout out to Marco for lending us some tools. We still have the rears over here, like I said, not done yet. Probably have to do that hopefully tomorrow. And over here, another close up of the fronts. They look good. These 6-piston calipers look massive. They look great. Gonna provide all the stopping power I'll need. And we also test fitted the T37s. Like I said, they fit on well. Make sure you have good clearance. Right now, all we gotta do is we still do have to connect the brake lines. So this red line right here is the stainless steel brake line. Like I said, it did came with the rotor, brake pads, as well as the calipers. And then once we connect it, Miguel said he wants to wait to doing the rears. But here is pretty much what we're working with. He did say this is the parking brake. So hopefully, I don't know how much of a pain in the butt it's gonna be, but hopefully we'll have a boy Min come and help out tomorrow. So we'll get this install done.